Hello friends, this is Umesh Arora from CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we are going to create this model, and this is a solid base model. So here we have some views. This is the top view, and this is sectional front view, and the section is from AA. So the section is here, and the side view is this one, and one isometric and one annex model, 3D model. So first of all, I will start with the spherical shape. Okay, so let's start with the annex. So click this, and or directly I can go with this sphere, and but here if you will select this sphere, the whole sphere will come, and the diameter is 49 into 2, and origin point is this, and click. Right, now I want to trim it, so click it, and my plane is this. No need to create a new plane, just select the face, this, and reverse the direction. Okay, so first this hemisphere is here. Now go to the top X, and I need this 20 only, so this upper portion and lower portion should be cut, so click here, and now dimension it, and this gap is 20, so half of 20 will be 10, and drag here, now dimension it, and dimension this, and this again, and now mirror it. My center line is this, and here from center it is 25, and here it is 22, so draw one more rectangle, and this gap is from here to this is 25. Rest you can assign whatever you want, just define, and this point and this axis, make them constants, right? And one more rectangle on the opposite side here, so this and this constants, and make this line and this line collinear, right? And define this as 66, no problem, and distance from here to this will be 22. Okay, now finish. And before this, I'm going to create this upper portion, this one. So go to datum plane, and from here the distance is from this origin 40 and 38, 78 minus 25, 25, right? So this is the position of the plane. Select, click here, and the vector, and I need two circle, so my first circle is 20 dia, and other one is 10 dia. Delete this tangential effect, right? See, 20 dia and another is 10 dia. So extrude this bigger circle reverse side and until next, and unite it. Apply, and this circle 25, unite, and okay. Now apply the edge fillet, and I want 25 here, and click OK. Hide this plane, this sketch, and one chamfer is here, so chamfer is 1 into 45. Now use this extrude and make sure it is connected curve, this and this. Remove it with the help of this subtraction, and this one and this one. Apply, right, close. Now hide it, And from this middle plane, start a circle. Click here, and the circle is 40 radius. See, this is 40 radius 80 da, and line straight and a little bit down. Now trim it and define this value, okay, so that my sketch will be a fully defined. One more circle, and this circle is this 47, so double of 47, 47 into 2, and click here. So first I'm using this one, so go to extrude, select this one, and reverse direction, no, symmetrical apply, so this will cut. Now this circle, and this cut is 12. See, 12, so half of 12 will be 6. With symmetric extend and subtract and apply. Hide this one. See this. See here. Now one more thing is left. Here we have some chamfer. So select the same middle plane. Click here. Draw a line. Now dimension it. 4 is the length. And now angle. For angle, I'm using the angular. Angle between this and this y-axis. Angle is okay. Some problem is there. So place your mouse here. Just finish it. Place your mouse and see midpoint. No, and constraint is there. See, one constraint is there. Okay, so delete this line. I will do this again. Undo. Undo. The position is not properly. Click here. No, it is not. From here, draw a line from this to this, and now it is right. Now dimension it, and this gap is 4, and for angle between this and this vertical is 34. Enter the 34. See here, it is 34-degree. Now finish, and I want to cut with the help of this single line. So go to extrude, select this, and symmetrical, drag it and subtract, open smart volume, reverse the side. Okay, hide this, hide this. If you want to match the section, so go to view, add a section, and my plane is this. Click this one and match. This is matching here properly. All right, cancel. And now I want to apply some material. So here you can assign so many shading material are there, right? So hope you understand this, how to create this kind of part. Thank you for watching.